Today I'm going to show you how to make birthday cookies. These are super simple and super delicious because they're chocolate chip cookies with sprinkles. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is just a quick and simple, easy cookie recipe. This one is, everyone loves this recipe. It is super fantastic and super easy. It's based off of my best chocolate chip cookie recipe, which I will link up here. But I'm adding sprinkles, makes them nice and festive, like a birthday cookie, or you could add different color sprinkles for Halloween or Christmas or any holiday. I've done this for 4th of July too. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. All right, just like my chocolate chip cookie recipe, this starts with a half of a cup of unsalted butter that I melt in the microwave. And then you're going to add a third of a cup of granulated sugar and a half of a cup of packed brown sugar. Just stir that together. You don't even need a mixer for these cookies. It's one bowl, no mixer. You can use a mixer if you want, but you don't have to. Add in 1 large egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half of a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half of a teaspoon of salt. Now, this cookie recipe only makes about 20 cookies, which makes it perfect, but it's easy to double. So you can double, triple this recipe. I've even quadrupled it and it still works. So if you want more cookies than just about 20 to 24, then go ahead and double it. Then I'm mixing in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Be sure to measure it correctly. Stir that together until it's nice and smooth. Once you have the flour and all the cookie batter mixed in, you're going to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Trader Joe's are my favorite ones, but you can use any brand you want, any flavor chocolate chips you want. You can even mix and match as you wish. And then it's time for the sprinkles. Sprinkles are my favorite thing in the whole wide world. When you are baking with sprinkles, I recommend using jimmies. Those are like the rainbow long ones, not the little nonpareil little dot things that fly everywhere when you pour them out. Rainbow jimmies are the perfect ones to use, and add about a half of a cup of sprinkles into that batter and then stir it together. But I love using rainbow sprinkles for these to make them nice like a birthday cookie. But again, you can use any sprinkles that you want. If you go to the craft store or even the baking aisle or the holiday aisle, whatever holiday it is, there's always going to be sprinkles. I order my sprinkles on Amazon in bulk, and I will link my shop down below so you can grab my favorites. Because we started with melted butter, we need to chill the dough. So we're going to scoop the cookies onto the cookie sheet. We don't need to space them because we're going to be chilling them. I'm using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop, but you could make these any size. You could make these small 1 tablespoon. You could use a 1/4 cupfuls, whatever size you want. Scoop them onto your cookie sheet and then chill them for at least 30 minutes. You can chill them up to overnight. If you're gonna chill them longer than 30 minutes, cover them with plastic wrap first so they don't dry out. And when you're ready to bake them, spread them out on your cookie sheet and bake them at 350 for about 11 to 15 minutes. They are done as soon as they lose their glossy sheen, and don't overbake them, they're better underbaked, but as soon as they lose that glossy sheen, they are done baking. And once you have the cookies, they are so delicious. They're just like the best chocolate chip cookie recipe, but they have sprinkles, which makes them even better. Leave me a comment, let me know what color sprinkles you're gonna use, and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.